If you're just getting started working on cars, a basic socket set, wrench set, and screwdriver kit can take you surprisingly far. But eventually, every DIY mechanic runs into a job where a standard tool just won't cut it. Maybe you're trying to remove a stubborn fastener in a tight place, maybe you're diagnosing an electrical issue, or maybe you're just spending an hour fighting a job that should only take 5 minutes. That's where specialty tools come in. While some specialty tools are designed for very specific reasons, others are so useful that they deserve a permanent spot in almost every enthusiast toolbox. Today, we're counting down some of the most useful specialty automotive tools that can save you time, frustration, and even money. Let's get started. If there's one specialty tool every enthusiast should own, it's a torque wrench. Many critical components on your vehicle have specific torque specifications, including wheels, suspension components, engine parts, and brake components. Over-tightening can damage threads or components. Under-tightening can create safety concerns. A quality torque wrench helps ensure everything is tightened exactly as intended. It's one of the easiest ways to improve the quality of your repairs. Check engine light on? Instead of guessing what's wrong, an OBD2 scanner can quickly point you in the right direction. Modern scanners can read diagnostic trouble codes, clear codes, view live sensor data, and monitor engine performance. Even a budget scanner can save you countless hours of troubleshooting. Think of it as one of the best investments for any modern vehicle owner. If you've ever removed an interior panel with a screwdriver, you've probably learned why these tools exist. Stick trim tools help remove door panels, dash trim, interior clips, and exterior moldings without scratching surfaces or breaking clips. They're inexpensive, easy to use, and can prevent costly cosmetic damage. These simple tools are incredibly versatile. With a good pick set, this can help with O-rings, electrical connectors, vacuum hoses, gaskets, and retaining clips. They're especially useful when working in tight spaces where your fingers can't simply reach. Most mechanics use them almost daily. We've all been there. You drop a bolt, it disappears, suddenly you're spending 20 minutes searching under the car. A magnetic pickup tool can save the day. Whether it's a nut, bolt, socket, or washer, this tool often turns a frustrating situation into a quick recovery. A flex head ratchet allows the handle to pivot, making it easier to access bolts in tight engine bays or awkward suspensions. Once you use one, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Speaking of hard-to-reach fasteners, swivel sockets and universal joints can be lifesavers. These tools allow your sockets to operate at an angle, helping you reach the bolts hidden under components or tucked into cramped spaces. Many modern engine bays practically require them. Electrical diagnostics can seem intimidating. A simple test light makes checking power and ground circuits much easier. It's fast, inexpensive, and often quicker than pulling out a multimeter for basic checks. Many professional technicians still use them regularly. When electrical troubleshooting becomes more advanced, a multimeter can measure voltage, resistance, continuity, and current. Whether you're diagnosing charging issues, bad grounds, or faulty sensors, this tool can provide valuable information. Standard pliers work, but hose clamp pliers work much better. These specialty tools make removing spring-style hose clamps significantly easier, especially in tight places. If you've ever fought a radiator hose clamp for 10 minutes, you know exactly why these belong on the list. Oil filters always seem to be installed by someone with superhuman strength. An oil filter wrench helps remove stubborn filters quickly and safely. There are several styles available, but having at least one in your toolbox is highly recommended. Cross-threaded or dirty threads can create major headaches. A thread chaser helps clean and restore damaged threads without removing excessive material like a cutting tab might. It's a great tool for preserving existing hardware and preventing installation issues. Whether you're replacing brake components or simply refreshing brake fluid, a brake bleeder kit makes the process easier. Many kits allow one person bleeding, eliminating the need to have someone repeatedly pumping the brake pedal. Your friends will appreciate not being recruited every time you work on your brakes. Sometimes you can't see the problem directly. An inspection mirror allows you to view hidden fasteners, leaks, wiring, or components tucked behind other parts. Pair it with a flashlight and you'll have much easier time diagnosing issues. If you really want to level up your toolbox, consider a borescope. These small cameras can reach in areas you can't see with the naked eye. They're useful for inspecting engine cylinders, intake runners, hidden leaks, interior body cavities, and wiring routes. You don't need every specialty tool on day one. The best approach is to build your toolbox over time as projects demand new tools. However, tools like a torque wrench, OBD2 scanner, multimeter, trim removal tools, and flex head ratchet are useful enough almost every enthusiast can benefit from owning them. The right tool doesn't just make a job easier, it makes the job safer, faster, and often helps prevent damage along the way. What's the specialty tool you can't live without in your garage? Let us know in the comments below. And if you'd like to see more DIY tool guides and automotive how-to content, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.